We're making keto Weet-bix that is gluten-free and diabetic friendly. Let's go! Sanitarium Weet-bix has been around for years. In fact, as a little girl, I remember my grandpa serving it to us when we visited. If you don't know what Weet-bix is, it's a breakfast biscuit. You just let them soak in warm milk and you can enjoy them with berries. If you look around online, you'll see that there is a whole range of recipes that people use Weet-bix as a main ingredient. And now that we have a keto, sugar-free, diabetic-friendly version, we can jump in on the fun too. Now, because this recipe actually has no eggs and no dairy, you can store this as dry goods in your pantry. And you can even cut them into breakfast bites and enjoy them however you like. This is just a basic recipe. You can add maple flavors, you can add chocolate flavors to it, and tailor make it to how you want your breakfast bites to be. Nutritional information and your shopping list is listed in the description box. And without further ado, let's get into the recipe now. Set your oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit or 95 Celsius and grease and line a 9x9 inch or 23 by 23 centimeter square baking tin. To a bowl, add 1 cup of golden flaxseed meal, a half cup of coconut flour, 3 tablespoons of sweetener, 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then mix it well to combine. We have just 1 wet ingredient in this recipe, so go ahead and add 2 cups of sparkling or soda water. Mix that all together until the dough comes together, and next we are going to grate all of the dough into the baking tin. If you don't want to grate the dough, this is how your biscuits will turn out. In fact, we will put all 3 side by side so you can spot the differences. This is the ungrated biscuit, this one is the grated biscuit, and this is the original Weet-bix biscuit. Once all of the dough has been grated, do ensure the dough is evenly spread using a fork. And then with the spatula, I smoothed off the surface slightly just to create a similarity to the original Weet-bix. And now it's ready for the oven. Bake it for Bake it for 1 hour, then turn the temperature of your oven down to as low as possible. In fact, I just had my oven light switched on. And then you want to dehydrate your Weet-bix for at least 3 hours. Because if you know Weet-bix, it's very dry and brittle, and dehydrating it will achieve the similar texture. How exciting is this? I'm having it right now and it's not even breakfast time. If you aren't baking with it and just having it as a cereal, you would add 2 biscuits to hot milk, and you can add chocolate chips, sugar-free syrup, or add berries. Some people even add butter. I'm so excited that I can have Weet-bix again. You guys have no idea, and I hope you are too. I hope you get to try it, and do let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.